the possibility of polynomials you're going to have to work with is infinite. So our next step for multiplying polynomials is to multiply two binomials together. Okay, so our first one is going to be 4x minus 5 times 3x plus 3. To multiply binomials together, you have to make sure that every single term gets multiplied by every single term. So we're going to use the distributive property here, and we're just going to break the first binomial in half and distribute it to the second binomial. And you'll see that there are 4 terms, they will all get multiplied together. So I'm going to take this 4x, and then I'm going to multiply it by 3x plus 3. And now take this negative 5, don't drop your symbols, and multiply it by 3x plus 3. And now I've got 2 distributions to do. And you'll see that I'm actually doing 4 multiplication problems here. Okay? 4x times 3x is 12x squared. 4x times 3 is positive 12. Negative 5 times 3x, negative 15x. And negative 5 times positive 3, negative 15. Okay? And it looks like you're done, but wait! I actually made a mistake. 4x times 3 is 12x. I see 2 like terms. There are 2 like terms here that we can combine together. I'm going to circle them both at the same time this time, just because I made that kind of tight. We're going to combine those together and get our final answer of 12x squared. I have a positive 12x minus 15x squared, or sorry, positive 12x minus 15x, so negative 3x, and then drop down my negative 15, and that's my final answer. This is using the distributive property. Okay. I'll do another video on what's called the box method or the area method. There's lots of different names for it. But I'm going to show you one more example here using the distributive property. Okay, sometimes what you'll see is a binomial squared like this, which just means you have 2 binomials being multiplied by themselves. I mean, that's what the power of 2 means. So it's really 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. Okay? So once again, just like my above example, I'm going to separate the first binomial so that I can do a distribution. This is this 2x, and then I multiply it by 2x plus 1, the second one. Now I have the 1, and I multiply it by 2x plus 1. I have 4 distributions here. Hopefully I won't make a mistake this time. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. 1 times 2x is 2x. And 1 times 1 is 1. I've got my like terms right in the middle. When you do it this way, generally your 2 like terms will be next to each other. And I'll combine them and get 4x squared plus 4x plus 1.